Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to customize the Gridbox Dashboard, manage dashboard widgets, edit the sidebar navigation, and more. In the Gridbox Dashboard, click the Dashboard Settings icon in the top right corner. In the Settings modal window, enable the Edit Dashboard option and click Save. Once the Edit Dashboard option is enabled, you will be able to manage dashboard widgets. First, you can rearrange widgets by simply dragging and dropping them into the desired position. Second, each widget includes an additional settings menu. Within the settings, you can change the widget title, configure display options for the content shown inside the widget, and set the user access level. Also, if you don't need a widget, you can simply remove it from the dashboard. And of course, you can also add new widgets. To do this, click the Add Widget icon. In the modal window that appears, select the widget you want to add from the list and click Save. It's important to note that the availability of widgets depends on the apps installed on your website. For example, if the Store app is installed, you will have access to widgets that display store sales statistics and other e-commerce related data. In the Dashboard Settings modal window, you will also find the Login Redirect to Dashboard option. When enabled, users will be automatically redirected to the Gridbox dashboard after logging in to the Joomla Administrator panel. Let's see how it works. Enable the Login Redirect to Dashboard option, click Save, and then log out of the Joomla Administrator panel. Now, let's log back into the Admin panel. As you can see, after logging in, we are automatically redirected to the Gridbox dashboard instead of the Joomla dashboard. And the last option in Dashboard Settings is Hide Joomla Navigation. With this option, you can disable the Joomla sidebar navigation and toolbar. Let's enable it, save the changes, and see what happens. As you can see on the screen, the default Joomla sidebar and toolbar are no longer available. Gridbox also allows you to customize the navigation by adding your own menu items and setting permissions for content apps. To do this, open the sidebar navigation by clicking the menu icon. In the expanded menu, scroll down to the bottom and find the Edit Navigation option. Enable it. As you can see, an edit icon has appeared next to the content apps. By clicking on it, you can set access permissions in the modal window that opens. At the bottom, you will also see the Add New Item option, which allows you to create your own custom menu items. Let's create one. Click on Add New Item and fill in all the fields. Let's name it Extensions and add a link to Joomla extensions. Set the link to open in a new tab. Now choose a suitable icon. And if needed, you can also set permissions for this menu item. Finally, click Save. As you can see, we now have quick access to Joomla Extensions Manager. You can create any custom menu items you need to make navigation across your site faster and more convenient. In addition, the created menu items can be reordered using drag and drop. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.